Welcome back to Phinys Garage. It's Gray here, and as many of you guys know, I'm in the process of restoring my 1999 Mitsubishi Montero. This car over here, to be exact, it's a Gen 2.5, the wide body, the one that everyone loves. Now, as you can tell, the interior of this car is stripped out because I'm still in the process of testing to see if the window regulators and motors work on that car, because if they do, then I can just swap them over, because these windows roll down, but they have a very, very difficult time rolling back up. So it'll save me about $100 per door if we get those ones working over there, or if we can see if they work. Swap them over here once we can roll the windows up, because if you notice, that one's cracked. So whenever it rains, yeah, it'll get all wet here. And once we do the windows, then we can put the carpet in, and then we can put the seats back in the car. And then we should be getting the interior mostly put back together, and all like the little tiny things like the trim and like those little things over there that are missing somewhere over there, if you can see. While the inside of my 99 is, stripped out, I've been keeping all of the parts inside of my 96 Montero, which is actually making it look really cluttered. So here's what we're gonna do. I've decided I'm going to fully part out this car. I was just taking a few pieces from it, and then I was gonna part it out later, but I'm deciding that I kind of just want the car gone. So if you need parts from a 92 to 99, I think it is, Montero, let me know, because we're going to be parting this thing completely out. Everything is for sale. I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour on it. I do have my stuff in the back here, but we'll see. I'll put some pictures up on the screen to show you guys what the car looked like before I put all my stuff in here. I haven't really touched anything from this car or taken anything from this car, so it's just how I got it. It came from the New Mexican desert, pretty much rust free. I'll show you guys the underneath here. It's still pretty sandy. It's just mostly surface rust, and you can tell there's sand right there. Here's the back. Let's take a little bit of a walk-see to the front of the car. Like I said, everything is for sale on this car. Like a junkyard that will sell you the whole door panel. Yeah, if you need a switch, like a little switch here, or a little door handle, or you need this thing, or this, or the bottom portion, or you need this light, I'll sell it to you. I'll sell anything individually, whatever it is. If you need these little handles right here on the seat, I'll sell them to you. So this is the interior here. Looking pretty good. So the plan for this car is, since I want it gone, but I still kind of want to use parts from it and sell parts from it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip this car completely down, take every single part off of it that I think would be sellable, put it in a storage unit somewhere, and then take this car to the junkyard and get rid of it. It does have a clean Texas title, but the engine, I tried testing it the other day, because the guy that I bought it from, he said he did run it out of oil and it was seized. But look, here's the thing. Whenever you test the oil, if you can see, there's a little bit of oil on there. I mean, it's like really, really dirty oil, but I'm thinking like maybe he didn't run it out of oil. But go underneath the car, try turning it by hand. That thing's stuck like crazy. I'll take a ton of pictures of the car and I'll put them up on my Instagram account. If you need anything from the engine here, I really love this intake. I think it's really cool. On my car, it doesn't have that because it's got a totally different intake. And you'll see, here's the intake, and then it kind of just stops right here. There's nothing crazy. Well, if you come to the 99, you'll see it kind of looks the same on top, but the aluminum, it goes down, and it's got all these like cool little tube things. So unfortunately, I can't take the intake off of this car and put it on my other one because it's not the same intake. Maybe I could, maybe I can't. So we got the grill here, looking good. It does have that broken spot there. It's very common problem on these cars. This headlight is cracked. These are glass, by the way. Side lights, turning signals, they're good. I mean, maybe you could fix this. The inside's good at least. These are good, not cracked. This headlight's good. This turning signal's good. This fender has a slight dent to it. It's not too bad though. Not an SR model, but it is an LS. All the base models I've seen, they got that fabric interior. Usually it's actually like gray. And I guess some people option for the tan. Personally, I like the tan better because you don't see it very often. But what's super special about this car, it's weird that it's not an SR, but it's got a sunroof. Now, I don't know if it works or not, because I haven't put a battery in here, but whenever we put the battery from the 99 into this 96 to see if the windows roll up and down, I'm going to test to see if this power sunroof works. Because if it does, if anybody wants to buy it, you can. I don't know, I really like this car because it's got the sunroof and it's got a tan cloth interior. I'll have the parts for this car for quite a while because I'm going to store them in a storage unit. So probably by the end of the month, this car's going to be in a junkyard somewhere. Hopefully, maybe, we'll see. So the parts will probably be around for a couple years. So if you see anything, I'm literally taking everything. Like literally everything. I'm taking all the trim. I'm probably going to take the headliner so I can clean it. Take it. I'm going to take the whole unit for the sunroof because that's like, I think $3,200 if you were to buy it new, and some of the parts you can't even buy. I'm going to take, probably not the dash because it's cracked, but I'm going to take a lot of dash components, the gauges, probably the steering wheel and the steering column. Might as well, I know the engine sees, but I might take the engine as well because there's like some good components I could take off of it. We got these running boards here. We got the rear splash guards, OEM splash guards here. Good shape, perfect shaped, honestly. Got some wheels, tires. Tires are pretty clean, man. Look at that. Like they got a lot of tread on them. Glass. I'm gonna take all the glass and the roof rails off the car. So if you're interested in any parts from my 96 Montero, then go message me on Instagram. Just go send me a DM. Tell me what you're interested in, and we can discuss the price, shipping, and figure out how we can get it out to you. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you want to see more videos on the restoration of my 99 Montero or my 96 Montero, consider subscribing to the channel. But guys, until next time, I will see you later. Have an amazing day.